Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can voice record in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank project open, and I'll be using this as a starting point to record some audio. Now sadly, I have put my desktop recording software to not pick up desktop sounds. However, you'll still see the audio in the bottom timeline where you'll see the audio track. Now, to actually start recording, what you need to do is click on this camera in the left-hand toolbar, which says record and create. Once you click on that, you can choose either screen and camera, screen, or only audio. And of course, we'll be using only audio for this part. And once that's open, it'll ask you to give it permissions to access your microphone. Then you can choose which microphone you're using. And as you can see, there are sound waves indicating that my microphone is working. You can also get a speech coach and turn it on if you want, but that isn't mandatory. And the recording is limited to 30 minutes for the free version. I'm not sure if it's different for the premium. It might be, but all you have to do to record voice is just click here, and now you'll start recording your voice, and everything you've recorded will be stored in the timeline or in your media. And if I stop it, you will see that you have a preview of the voice that you've recorded. And I'll stop now because it's interfering with my speech, but all you have to do is just click save and edit, and as you can see, it has been added to my imported media, and I have this sort of sound bar here which I can very easily edit however I want. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.